Your favorite lender, Cheree. We are Simply Funded and we focus on loans for all sorts of people, but especially for real estate investors and self employed individuals, whether it is a property you're going to live in yourself or it is an investment property. We have a wide array of lending products for all of you out there to grow your wealth because that's what you want to do. This session is actually inspired by a client of mine who wants to purchase multifamily. I have a lot of clients who want to get into multifamily. They want to buy more than 5 units, though. So, if you're buying between 1 and 4 units, that's a personal residence, or there are a lot more loan products on the conventional loan side. But anything above 5 units, that is considered commercial lending, and there are different rules and different things that you need to know in order to purchase those properties. The other thing that I will say is, and a lot of people don't like to hear this, but I'm your favorite lender, I have to tell you the truth, is that if you are a first time investor starting off with a 100 unit building, you probably might not even get funding for it because they do ask you what is your experience with these types of assets, unless you're like willing to put down 50% or 60% or something like that, where the lender feels like they have more, um, they're have less risk in the deal. I always like to suggest to people to start small. If you're getting your first multifamily, maybe start off with a triplex or a fourplex and then work your way up. But if you are at a point that you want to invest in something that is 5 units or more, I have two really great loan programs for you. The first is you can invest in one of my lenders uh, up to 30 units. The loan limit is $2 million, and you can put down as little as 20%. Also, with this specific lender, they have quicker access to capital with regards to if you are renovating the property. They have an online cloud based technology system where you get access to your construction draws faster. So that's one lender that I have access to that, if you want to give me a call, learn more about that, we can go through the process of working with them. For my other lender, this is somebody who, again, can do 5 or more units, apartments nationwide. Their loan amounts go from $300,000 to $50 million. So they can do a lot bigger projects or more expensive projects, especially for people in my Metro DC area. If you're trying to buy 8 units in DC, you're going to need a little bit more capital, for example. Their loans go from anywhere from 12 months to 30 months. Their minimum credit score is a 650, and you can go about 30% down payment with this company. So, um, 30% down payment is going to be the minimum with this company. So, again, as you're getting into multifamily, you are going to be putting in more money than if, like, 5+ unit multifamily, you do put in more money than if you're going 1 to 4 units. So, I do have a couple of clients, just to give you a difference here. I do have a couple of clients who are buying 4 units, and if they're living in the residence, they can put down as little as 5% on the property. So if your cash to close is important to you, then, talk to me about one of our conventional loan products where you could be living in the property. If you want to buy a 4 unit or a 3 unit and it's an investment property, talk to me because we do have options for you there as well. And of course, if you want to buy 5 or more units, then we have that option for you as well. So that is it for me. Thank you so much for listening. SimpliFunded.com. You can contact us there. And we will give you additional information with regards to these loans that we have available for all of you. All right. Thank you so much and take care. Thank you, Jason. Thanks for being here. Take care. Bye, everybody.